All right, here we have a problem that involves using square roots and has an irrational number for an answer. I'll tell you that from the get-go. Let's start by reading the problem. A square has an area of 112 centimeters squared. What is the approximate perimeter of the square? All right, so I always think that the easiest way to solve these problems is by making a picture. And those of you who watched my videos before know that this is certainly not my strong suit. And give it my best shot here. So this is a square, or the approximation of one, that has an area of 112 centimeters square. Not the world's best square. But let's talk about area. How do we find the area of a square? Well, the area of a square, of course, is its base times its height, or the other way we think of it is it's the side multiplied by the side, because in a square, all the sides are the same length. So I can say that the area for this shape would be equal to S, where S equals the side to the second power. That means that if I take the area of the square, in other words, 112 centimeters squared, or S squared, if you did it algebraically, and I take its square root, well, the square root of S squared, of course, is S. S times S is S squared. The square root of S squared would be S. So what's the square root of 112 centimeters squared? I have no idea. I know it's greater than 10, so let's get our calculator out and let's put in, let's slide that over a little bit so we can't get everybody in the frame. So I've got 112. I'm going to use the radical symbol, and I've got 10.583. So I'm going to round it to to the tenths place, which means 10.5 will round to 10.6. So I'm going to say that the side of this square is approximately 10.6 centimeters. Okay, this is where most people fall down on this problem because they aren't reading the problem. Let's go back to the question. The question is, what is the approximate perimeter of the square? So I know that S equals 10.6. Well, if S equals approximately, I should use my approximate symbol, 10.6 centimeters, then P, the perimeter, is 4S, right? The four sides added together would be 10.6. And let's see, 4 multiplied by 10.6 would equal, if I'm not mistaken, 42.4 centimeters. So the perimeter of this square is 42.4 centimeters, approximately.